Welcome to the new Graebert Customer Portal, where company administrators can efficiently manage ARES licenses, users, and devices with ease. In this demo, we'll walk you through some of its key features, including powerful dashboards that provide real-use insights. Let's get started. Upon logging in, you'll see the refreshed interface, providing a clear overview of the permission keys, total licenses, and their active or expired status. There is a search bar at the top, a button to add permission keys on the top left corner, a button to export all or expired permissions data to CSV, and a button to filter by product. Admins can also access this page from the Permissions menu, where they can view all licenses or filter by type. Sometimes, specific users need guaranteed access to ARES from the available pool of licenses. To ensure this, click Assign Users. On the left, filter active, expired, and unassigned licenses. On the right, filter users by active, pending, disabled, or removal pending. To assign a license, select a user and click Assign License, with the option to send an email notification. To unassign, simply select the assigned license on the left and click Unassign License. Back to the Permissions page, let's continue with other functionalities. Clicking here opens a floating dialog with the list of serial numbers assigned to that permission key. Clicking a serial number expands details, including activated devices, history, and the option to download license certificates. Next, let's have a look at the users. On the top right, we have a filter for enabled and disabled users, a search bar, and a button to invite new users to our organization. Let's go ahead and do it. We can type or copy and paste the email address. The user will then receive an email to join the organization. Requests to join the organization can be managed via the Requests menu. Pending user invites sent by administrators are listed under New User Invite. Here, you can resend or remove invitations and edit user details. Now, let's have a look at the email the users will receive to join the organization. Clicking the Join Organization button will take them to the Graebert Customer Portal to create their new account. Once the user completes their creation of their new Graebert account, they will appear on the list of users. Another time-saving feature is the ability to select one or more users from the list and reset their passwords, remove, or disable their accounts. Under the Devices page, we can see the list of devices that have been activated. This option is handy when there is a computer failure, and the license cannot be manually deactivated. We've saved the best for last. The all-new dashboard. With powerful insights at your fingertips, administrators can effortlessly track license usage, monitor users, and get precise insights over time. Enterprise admins can quickly review permissions usage for a selected period filtered by product, categorized into acquired, overage, and missed permissions. On the right-hand side, enterprise admins can view the list of active users and filter their status. The list can also be exported to Excel. Next, let's explore the FlexCloud License Dashboard. Exclusive to ARES, the FlexCloud license lets companies share a pool of licenses over the Internet, just like a network license, but without location restrictions. Users can work seamlessly from the office, at home, at a customer site, or even in another country. Sharing CAD licenses has never been easier. FlexCloud licenses are available for all versions of ARES, including desktop versions like ARES Commander, as well as the cloud version ARES Kudo. On the left, we see the permissions usage for a selected month, similar to the one for enterprise admins. To the right, Flex Cloud administrators have access to advanced report charts that provide insights on total users, licenses, and failed activation attempts. First, we see the total daily users over a certain period of time, filtered by product. From the calendar dropdown, we can select the start and end dates, as well as use handy filters to view the number of users today, yesterday, or over the last 7 days. The chart visuals are easy to understand, showing the minimum number of users in the selected period in yellow, the peak in cyan, and the rest in green. The horizontal line represents the average number of users over that selected period and product. A similar chart tracks license usage, showing trends over time, as shown here. The failed attempts table shows the number of failed logins over a certain period, typically occurring when all available licenses are already in use, and additional users attempt to log in. This helps admins assess whether additional licenses are needed to accommodate user demand. And that's all for this overview. Log in and explore the new Graebert customer portal today.